How to connect Antigravity to Supabase. So letting an autonomous AI framework like Antigravity generate software without a persistent relational database backend means your application's data vaporizes the moment your container spits down. And we are bridging Antigravity today directly to Supabase, unlocking Postgres data storage, real-time vectors, and user AUth in under 2 minutes. So we need to extract your access keys, log into your Supabase dashboard workspace, select your target project container, and navigate to the bottom of the left sidebar to click on the Project Settings gear icon. From the Settings menu list, click on API. So API keys are here. In my case, I can't access them because I guess my plan is not purchased. And under the API Edge Keys panel, copy your public project URL string. And then grab your high privilege service _role bypass key too. This specific token allows Antigravity's automated subagents to bypass role level security. And then you can just log these credentials straight into your local environment tree. Open your project terminal window and export parameters so Antigravity's background daemons can authenticate with your remote Postgres engine over a secure TLS layer. Just input this configuration block. And then just save the state and feed your agent manager a direct architectural command. So bringing your autonomous creation layers to a cloud-native Postgres core gives your AI-generated applications a bulletproof memory matrix that scales infinitely. If this was helpful, as always, guys, like and subscribe.